In this video, I'm going to show you how to insert multiple pages in PDF XChange Editor. Now, the first thing you have to do, of course, you want to go to the Organize tab up top, and I would always recommend you actually open up the Thumbnails tab here on the left so you can see what's going on with your pages. And then from here, you could either click on Insert up top or just basically click on where you can see the Settings button here, and it's going to open up a menu where you can do Insert Pages and then Insert Pages or Insert Empty Pages. So it's up to you whichever one you want to use, but if you click on Insert Pages, it's going to allow you to insert pages from a different file, and you can do it, of course, for as however many files you want. Then press OK, and you're good to go. Or if you want to insert multiple blank pages, simply click on that, do Insert Empty Pages. You can select your type, page, orientation, stuff like that, and here it says count. Now this is very important because this is how many pages it's going to insert. I'm going to do 3 over here, and location is going to be after, and I'm going to do OK, and as you can see, 3 pages, 3 empty pages have been inserted here at the end of my document. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.